It's 3 a.m. in your Texas home. The world outside is silent, but inside, something is about to go terribly wrong. Suddenly, you hear a strange hissing noise, followed by the unmistakable rush of water coming from deep inside a wall. It's a sound no homeowner ever wants to hear. You jump out of bed, heart pounding, only to land straight into a cold, spreading puddle. In an instant, you realize a pipe has burst and water is flooding your home. Panic sets in as you watch water seep into your baseboards, soaking the carpet and threatening to ruin everything in its path. The damage is happening fast and you feel helpless. This is a nightmare for any homeowner, but it's more common than you think, especially with Texas's unpredictable weather, where sudden freezes or storms can wreak havoc on your plumbing. The water keeps flowing, damaging furniture, electronics, and precious belongings. Every second, the destruction spreads further, making the situation feel overwhelming. You rush to shut off the main water valve, fumbling in the dark, but the damage has already started. The sense of urgency is real. Every moment matters. The burst pipe is hidden behind walls, making it impossible to fix on your own. You know you can't just ignore it and hope for the best. You need a professional right now. Someone who can respond immediately, no matter the hour. Every minute counts. Waiting means more damage, more cost, and more stress for you and your family. In this chaos, an emergency plumber is your first responder, arriving quickly, equipped to stop the flooding and start repairs. They're trained to handle the mess, extract water, repair pipes, and restore order to your home, giving you peace of mind when you need it most. When disaster strikes, don't hesitate. Call us at +1 8888 862 0246. Our team is standing by, ready to help 24/7. Don't wait. Help is just a call away at +1 8888 862 0246. Protect your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind with fast, professional emergency plumbing service. When a pipe bursts, every second matters. Water can spread rapidly, seeping into places you might not even notice at first. The initial shock of the leak is just the beginning of a much bigger problem if you don't act quickly. Water soaks into carpets, drywall, and floors within minutes. It doesn't just sit on the surface. It penetrates deep, ruining materials and making cleanup much harder. Even a small delay can mean the difference between a simple fix and a major renovation. Wait a few hours and you risk mold, especially in Texas's humid climate, where moisture lingers and creates the perfect breeding ground. Mold can hide behind walls and under floors, spreading before you even realize it's there. Mold can start growing in just 24 hours, bringing health risks and expensive remediation. It can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues, especially for children and the elderly. Water weakens your home's structure and can create electrical hazards. Wet wiring and outlets are dangerous, increasing the risk of fire or shock, and damaged beams can threaten your home's stability. The longer you wait, the more the damage multiplies. What starts as a small leak can quickly turn into a disaster affecting multiple rooms and leading to costly insurance claims. Quick action isn't just about saving money. It's about protecting your family's health and safety. Acting fast means less stress, fewer repairs, and peace of mind for everyone in your home. Emergency plumbers don't just fix pipes. They help prevent mold and structural rot. Their expertise ensures hidden damage is found and stopped before it spreads further. The cost of waiting is far greater than the cost of a fast repair. Delaying repairs can turn a manageable expense into a financial burden that could have been avoided. Act now to save your home and your wallet. Don't let hesitation turn a small problem into a major crisis. Take action and protect what matters most. In a panic, you might try a DIY fix, pipe tape, a patch kit. But for a major burst, these are just temporary bandages. DIY repairs often fail, leading to bigger floods and more damage. Without the right tools and training, you risk making things worse or voiding your insurance. Even if you stop the leak, water already inside your home keeps causing damage. Serious plumbing emergencies need a professional, not a guess. Don't gamble with your home. Call a licensed plumber right away. For immediate help, our line is always open at 888-862-0246. That's +1 888-862-0246. Call now for 24/7 emergency plumbing service. When water is pouring in and panic sets in, you need more than just a toolbox or a quick fix. You need a licensed, insured Texas plumber who's trained to handle emergencies and protect your home. And when every second counts, call +1 888-862 0246 for immediate help. These professionals know the codes, understand the risks, and have the experience to fix the problem quickly and safely, no matter how big or small. A pro can pinpoint the leak, access it with minimal damage, and restore your home to normal, often before bigger issues develop. Insurance protects you from liability if something goes wrong, giving you peace of mind during stressful times. A true professional brings calm to chaos, explains every step of the repair, and stands behind their work long after the job is done. Don't trust your home to an amateur or take unnecessary risks with DIY fixes. With a licensed plumber, you get expertise, protection, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is safe. And remember, for 24/7 emergency service, just call +1 888-862 0246. They've seen it all, every emergency, every challenge, and they know exactly how to make it right, no matter the situation. Your home is in good hands, and you can breathe easy knowing a true professional is on your side. For peace of mind, keep +1 888-862 0246 handy. Your 24/7 plumbing lifesaver in Texas. When you call our emergency line, you speak to a real person. No recordings. We assess your situation and dispatch a local, licensed plumber immediately. Our team is on call 24/7, ready for fast response. While you wait, we'll guide you on steps to minimize damage. The plumber arrives in a marked vehicle, fully equipped to handle most emergencies on the spot. They quickly assess, explain, and repair. No wasted time. From your first call to the final fix, we focus on speed and reliability. In a crisis, call 888-888-8888. Emergency plumbing costs more than a scheduled visit, but waiting costs far more. Delays mean more water damage, mold, and expensive repairs. Take a Dallas homeowner. A burst washing machine line fixed fast meant minimal damage and cost. If they'd waited, repairs would have skyrocketed. Another in Austin caught a slab leak early. Quick action saved their foundation and thousands of dollars. Every minute counts in a plumbing emergency. Fast action is an investment in your home's future. Don't let fear of fees make you hesitate. Your home is your biggest asset. Protect it. Call us now at +1 888-862 0246. That's +1 888-862 0246. Don't wait. Your home and wallet will thank you.